Hello everyone. In today's video, our topic is polygons. Let's start polygons by talking about its definition. According to the definition, it's a closed shape that's made up of straight line segments. And we also know that in polygons, the side lines, the line segments never cross each other. Um, we also have to talk about some elements of polygons. We have sides, diagonal, and vertex of polygon. Let's talk about them because we are gonna see these names in the questions in explanation. So what is side? Side is the line segment that forms the polygon. So sides are the line segments that form the polygon. Those are called sides of the polygon. Vertex is a point where two sides are intersecting. So this is the common point, common end point we can say. So when we have a point that two sides are connecting, that's called vertex. If we have more than one, if there is a plural, we call it as vertices. Vertex A, B, C, for example, three of them, we say three vertices. And we also have to talk about diagonal. Diagonal is a line segment that connects two non-consecutive vertices. So A and B are consecutive. When we connect them, we get a side. But A and C are not consecutive. They are non-consecutive. When we connect them, we get a diagonal. So those are the elements of polygons. There is another thing you need to know about polygons. We have to know the name of a polygon by using the number of its sides. Every polygon has a name. If there are three sides in our polygon, then we call it as triangle. Four sides makes a quadrilateral. Five-sided polygon is called pentagon. Six-sided polygon is called hexagon. Seven-sided polygon is heptagon. Eight-sided polygon is octagon. Nine-sided nonagon. Ten-sided decagon, n-sided n-gon. So you have to memorize these names. They're important. There will be questions that they're asking about the name of the polygon. And there's a spelling mistake here, by the way. Here it's supposed to be polygon. Let me correct it. Okay. So let's take a look at some examples and see how we can identify polygons by using a number of sides. Tell whether each figure is polygon. By the way, it's a check it out question in the book. Tell whether each figure is polygon. If it is a polygon, name it by the number of its sides. So let's start. The first one, is that a polygon? Remember the definition of polygon. It is supposed to be a closed figure. The first of all, it is supposed to be a closed figure. Second, it must formed by straight lines. Third, the line segments are never crossing each other. There is no crisscrossing. You have to keep these three uh, elements in mind. Okay, it is supposed to be closed, it must be formed by straight lines, and there is no crisscrossing. So when you look at the first part, the first part of the question, there's an opening here. So it's not closed, it's open. So it is not a polygon. What about second one? Is that a closed figure? Yes, it is a closed figure. Is that formed by straight lines? Yes, it is formed by straight lines. The third thing we need to check, is there any crisscrossing? No, the sides are never crossing each other. So all of the conditions are met. So yes, it is a polygon. The second part of the question says, name it if it is a polygon. So let's count the number of the sides. How many sided polygon do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are looking for an 8-sided polygon. whose name is an octagon. So the name of this polygon is octagon. All right, the last one. So let's check each conditions one by one. The first condition, is that a closed figure? Yes, it's a closed figure. Is that formed by straight lines? Straight, straight, straight. Here, there's a curly part. So not all sides are straight. So second condition didn't work. So we say it's not a polygon. So we don't have to identify the name of the polygon. It's not a polygon. Let's move on. Let's solve some exercise questions. Exercises 16, 17, 18. Are they polygons? The first one, it's a closed figure. The first condition is met. Second condition, it's formed by straight lines. Yes. Third condition, there is no crisscrossing. So it is a polygon. So let's name it then. Polygon. Let's name it. How many sided polygon do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what does six-sided polygon, what is six-sided polygon called? Six-sided polygon is called hexagon. So the name of that polygon is hexagon. All right. Second one, is that a closed figure? Yes, it is. First condition is met. Second condition, is that formed by straight lines? Yes, all sides are straight. The third condition, is there any crisscrossing? Are the lines are crossing each other? Yes, they are actually. This line is crossing with that line. There's crisscrossing, so it is not a polygon. In other words, we can say if it is a polygon, we have one interior part, one exterior part. Here, one interior part, one exterior part. But here in question 17, there are two interior parts. So it is not a polygon. We should have only one interior part. 17 is not a polygon. What about 18? Let's take a look at 18. First condition should be a closed figure. Is that a closed figure? Yes, it is. Second condition, is that formed by straight lines? Yes, all sides are straight. Third condition, is there any crisscrossing? No, lines are never crossing. So all conditions are met. So we say it's a polygon. Since it's a polygon, we have to name it. How many sided polygon do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we call four-sided polygon? So the four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. So we call it as quadrilateral. Let me write it again. Quadrilateral. All right. So this was the first part of this topic, polygons.